Julius Home Hardware, Main Street, the Double Dinner
Puppy!
ABC Country Restaurant.
What are you guys doing?
2 great dinners and a dessert to share for one great price. Just $20. For limited time, Sunday to
Dee and Buster,
Double Dinner deal.
what are you doing?
A double dinner deal gets you 2 great meals when it's blowing rain and snow. ABC Country. Your country, your restaurant.
The Toasted Oak Wine Bar and Grill in Oliver wants to say thank you. Thank you to all their customers, to the local food growers and local wine producers for their support.
You guys should behave yourselves when we go for a car ride. Huh?
Restaurants in Canada.
Behave yourselves.
The Toasted Oak
We've got to go put gas in Grandma's car.
cuisine and remain an affordable local eatery to the Okanagan. Open 12 to 9 p.m. daily.